So let's pretend you're a new customer at Completely Custom Marine. You're not really sure what to expect or how we work with the customer, how we bill, what you can come to expect. So when we initially send you your estimate, it's all done online, e-signatures, the whole 9 yards. We require a 10% deposit upon completion of your paperwork, your electronic paperwork, I should say. And then that gives us the approval to perform the service on your boat. Now we get out to your boat, and let's say we work today, and let's say we work a half day today. Our rates are $125 an hour. We do offer military discounts of 10% off labor. And if you're on a maintenance package, you receive a 20% discount off labor. So when you give us approval, you pay your 10% deposit, and now it's time for us to get to work. We show up to your boat and we start working. Let's pretend we're working on your boat for 3 days for whatever we may be doing it. Who knows? So every day we work on your boat, we bill you that same day. If we work 4 hours on your boat today, you're going to be billed for 4 hours plus the service call. If we work on your boat tomorrow, let's say we work 7 hours tomorrow, you're going to be billed tomorrow for 7 hours plus a service call. I started doing this maybe a year or two ago because I wanted to refine our business process. I don't believe in surprising customers, and I don't like customers surprising us. All of our service is billed at $125 an hour. There are some services, however, that we bill a flat rate fee. Basically what that means is the price isn't going to exceed the estimate that you approved. For example, winterization is a great example. If you have, hypothetically, a 25-foot boat, maybe it costs $375 for winterization. Under no circumstance should you be charged any more than that. But let's say you have a more entailed project. Let's say we're talking about weeks at a time, partial refit or renovation or whatever it may be. The reason we bill you daily is so that way we're not giving you a bill at the end of the project and you say, holy shit, I wasn't expecting this. We remove that from the equation because you're paying literally real time as the work is getting done. We have apps that we use to track all of our time and location. The app specifically is called T-Sheets, and it's integrated into QuickBooks. So at the end of the day, we just tally up all the time that's involved on your project, and we bill you for that. And when you look at the invoice, it's going to have dates, hours billed, and a description of the service. It's only fair for both sides of the fence.